Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus Property Management showing off 68 Park Avenue, Unit 6, located in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. This is a third floor, 2-bedroom apartment, and some of the features include new appliances, off-street parking, small pets are good to go with a monthly fee, and coin-operated laundry and storage in the basement of the facility. Now before I begin the walkthrough, I would like to remind everybody to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel, where you can view this walkthrough at any time, as well as any news related to real estate and property management. Thank you very much. So we're going to begin the walkthrough of this apartment in the kitchen area. As you can see, it features a laminate flooring, and it's pretty spacious in here. Leads to all the other rooms in the apartment as well. I'll show off the new appliances real quick, including the medium-sized new refrigerator. Very nice. The gas stove over here, along with the gas heat inside the kitchen. A little bit of countertop space over here, as well as some cabinets. But the kitchen also includes a nice, roomy closet space with some shelving. Very nice. Could help with storage in here, definitely. And over here is some more cabinet space, larger ones above and the smaller ones below, along with plenty of counter space in case needed. And the new double-din stainless steel sink. Very nice. And real quick, through this window, I'd like to show you guys the off-street parking that's available to you guys. It is one spot per move-in. Very nice. Very spacious over here as well. Easy way to get in and out to your apartment. Very nice. I'll give you guys a good shot of the kitchen real quick. Should be able to fit a dining set in here, no problem. Might need a little bit of a tight squeeze though. Awesome. Alright, so next up, I'd like to show off the double parlor that is featured in the apartment. And in the double parlor, there is the nice hardwood flooring. And real quick, I'd like to show off the nice fresh coat of paint in here. It looks pretty relatively new, and it looks great. And aligning the walls are plenty of outlets, which can help you with customizing your furniture in here as far as electronics go. And it's also very spacious. You'll be able to fit plenty in here, no problem. As you can see over there, there are the internet-ready cables for when you first move in. Also featured in the double parlor is the old-style space heater. Very nice. Should be able to keep you nice and warm during the winter. Awesome. Alright, so next we're going to make our way to the first bedroom. And in the bedrooms, they do feature hardwood flooring. Once again, you can see the nice fresh coat of paint. It looks good. Very clean. And these are like medium-sized bedrooms. Should be able to fit a standard-sized bed in here, no problem. You can even shoot for a queen if you'd like. Also has internet-ready cables in here as well. And plenty of outlets, of course. And real quick, I'll show you guys the closet space. Very spacious. Should be able to fit plenty in here, no problem. And as stated before, there is extra storage space in the basement, along with the coin-operated laundry. Very nice. All right. Next up, we'll look at the bathroom before we look at the second bedroom. And this bathroom is relatively larger. Obviously, plenty of room in here. And real quick, I'll also show off the full tub and shower. Very nice. Got some shelf space over here for you as well, for your showering amenities. And over here is the nice sink with the very nice mirror, spacious. And as you walk into your apartment, into the bathroom, you will be greeted by the Nexus walk-in package with all of your showering amenities needed. Awesome. Like I said, a little larger in here than most bathrooms. Plenty of space to walk around in, no problem. Awesome. And last but not least, I'd like to show off the second bedroom. As stated before, the bedrooms do feature the hardwood flooring, the fresh paint, plenty of outlets, and as well as internet-ready cables, accessible in both bedrooms. Very nice. And here's the closet space for this bedroom. Awesome. Plenty of space in there, no problem. Like I said, you should be able to fit a standard size in here, no problem. Might be a little bit of a squeeze for a queen. But with the standard, it also gives you room for plenty of furniture in here as well. Awesome. Alright, and once again, this is 68 Park Avenue, Unit 6, located in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. And before I leave, I would like to remind everybody to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel, where you can view all of our walkthroughs at any time, as well as any news related to real estate and property management. Thank you very much.